watch some electrifying performances, then fasten your seat belts.
డౌట్ ఉంటే ఎవరిని అడగాలి నాన్న? ఏ ఊరు మీది?
మధ్యగా వెళ్ళండి రాస్తారండి, నెమ్మదిగా వస్తారండి.
ఏంట యాటిట్యూడ్, ఏంట మూతి తిప్పడాలు? Happy Children's Day to all the cadets.
The Vice Principal of Veritas High School. Very good show, Krishnagar. This is the best performance I have seen here in Veritas campus.
Happy Children's Day. It's both an honor and a privilege to extend heartfelt welcome to this auspicious gathering on the occasion of Children's Day at Veritas Sainik School, Tirupati. Today, as we celebrate the spirit of childhood and the promise it holds for the future of our nation, we are graced by the presence of eminent personality whose vision and leadership continue to shape the journey of our institution. It is also our honor to welcome A. Commodore Sri C.G.H. Khan, our academic dean, whose distinguished career and dedication to discipline and education inspire both our staff and students every day. Children's Day reminds us of the boundless possibilities within every young mind and heart. At Veritas, under the inspiring leadership of our distinguished guest and the devoted faculty, we strive to foster the intellect, integrity and character of every cadet so they may grow to serve the nation with pride and purpose. Let us now embark on today's celebrations with gratitude and joy, drawing motivation from Chacha Nehru's cherished ideals and the exemplary guidance of our honored guest. A warm welcome to all and a happy Children's Day. Now I would like to move our attention to a prayer song. Let us take a moment to honor our nation and express our reverence for our motherland. I warmly invite our esteemed music teachers to grace the stage and lead us in the rendition of our national song, Vande Mataram. May we all rise and join them in singing with pride and devotion.
వందే
Thank you very much for that inspiring rendition of our national song, Vande Mataram. As it completes 150 glorious years, your performance beautifully rekindled our patriotic spirit and pride in our motherland.
Muni.
Hey. Bye.
At this moment, I would like to shift your attention to the garland in the portrait of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. At this moment, May I cordially invite our esteemed dignitary, Sri C.G.H. Khan, the academic dean, to please advance towards the portrait of Jawaharlal Nehru for garlanding the ceremony. This act of homage is a profound symbol of reverence to the great architect of modern India, whose visionary leadership and boundless affection for children inspire our celebration today. Your gracious presence in the garlanding the portrait of Nehru embodies the commitment we uphold to his ideals and dreams. Kindly join us this ceremonial tribute as a mark of our collective respect and gratitude. Thank you very much, sir, for offering floral tribute to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the beloved Chacha Nehru. Your gesture reminds us of this deep affection for children and his vision of bright, progressive India. We truly appreciate this heartfelt tribute to the great leader on this special day.
बैठ जाओ।
I request the guest of the day,
Hi, sir.
C.G.H. Council A. Commodore, to be pleased in his prayer.
Fight! My primary wing. Fight! Cadet, आराम से fight!
You like to watch some electrifying performances? Then fasten your seat belts. Now we will have welcome dance. Ladies and gentlemen and children, brace yourself for a dynamic dance performance that's about to sweep you off your feet, quite literally. It's my absolute pleasure to invite the dynamic duo, Miss Umasri and Pushpa, to the stage. They have promised to dazzle us and maybe even show us some moves we can quite copy without a little practice. So let us give them a thunderous applause and get ready to be entertained by their charm, energy, and of course, some jaw-dropping dance moves.
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय कापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं कापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं कापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं कापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं वारणास्यं वरप्रदं श्रीवारणास्यं वरप्रदं श्रीवारणास्यं वरप्रदं श्रीवारणास्यं
शुरू कर.
Thank you very much for that electrifying dance performance. You two didn't just set the stage on fire, you practically turned it into 5-alarm blaze. The energy, the grace, the moves. Honestly, some of us are already considering signing up for dance lessons to just keep up. You manage dance to dazzle us, and I'm pretty sure a few jars are still on the floor. Thank you very much, madam, for your electrifying dance. And we have a song on Children's Day by Miss Sirisha, Divya and Swati madam. Let's invite the melodious voices of Miss Sirisha, Divya madam and Swati madam to grace the stage with a beautiful song especially prepared for Children's Day. Let their singing fill our hearts with joy and celebration, capturing the innocence, dreams and the vibrant spirit of childhood. Please join in me, welcome them with a warm round of claps as they take the stage to serenade us with us enchanting performance. Please welcome them.
NCC clap.
भारत की पहले प्रधानमंत्री सबको लगते प्यारे नेहरू चाचा नेहरू हमारे प्यारे चाचा ला 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 बच्चे प्यार से बुलाते चाचा हरदम लगाते गुलाब चाचा बच्चे प्यार से बुलाते चाचा हरदम लगाते गुलाब चाचा 14 नवंबर को जन्मे चाचा लेकिन इस दिन मनाते हमारे चाचा जी बाल दिवस चाचा नेहरू हमारे प्यारे चाचा नेहरू हमारे प्यारे चाचा नेहरू बच्चों के जन्म में चाचा बच्चों के लिए जिए चाचा बच्चों के जन्म में चाचा बच्चों के लिए जिए चाचा भारत के लिए कुर्बान चाचा हरदम आगे बढ़ते चाचा बच्चों के प्यारे चाचा जी बच्चों के वास्ते चाचा नेहरू हमारे प्यारे चाचा नेहरू भारत की पहले प्रधानमंत्री सबको लगते प्यारे नेहरू चाचा नेहरू हमारे प्यारे चाचा नेहरू ला 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 Thank you. Happy Children's Day.
Dear children, as we continue our joyous celebration, it's my distinct pleasure to invite the vibrant and energetic pre-primary teachers to the stage for a special dance performance. These wonderful educators who nurture our youngest stars with love and patience every day are now ready to dazzle us with their moves and rhythm. Their dance is not just a performance, it's a lively celebration of the boundless energy, creativity and joy that children bring into our lives. Let's welcome them with a thunderous round of applause and get ready to be charmed by their delightful and heartwarming performance. today you also danced like the superstars you are. If multitasking were an Olympic sport, you would have won the gold medal. Thank you for bringing such enthusiasm and joy to the stage and for reminding us all the age is just a number and it comes to having fun. Your performance was a perfect blend of energy, grace and just right the amount of mischief. Well done. Now we have Mr. Prakash sir, HOD Department of Tamil, to recite a poem. It's my privilege to invite Mr. Prakash, the HOD of the Department of Tamil, to grace the stage with a special poem composed for this occasion, renowned for his profound poetic expression and insightful words. Mr. Prakash will surely enrich our celebration and move us all with heartfelt performance. Please join me in welcoming him warmly.
एनसीसी क्लब शुरू कर। साउंड बाइट।
வெரிட்டாஸ் சைனிஸ்ட் பள்ளி திருப்பதி. நம் பள்ளியின் சேர்மன் சார், டைரக்டர் சார், டீன் சார், பிரின்சிபல் சார், வைஸ் பிரின்சிபல் சார், கோஆர்டினேட்டர், all teachers and students, all are saying குழந்தைகள் தினம் சிகரத்தை தொடுவேன் என்ற தலைப்பில் ஒரு குழந்தைகளுக்கான ஒரு சின்ன கவிதை. சிகரங்கள் உன் கையில் தவறும் எண்ணங்களே உயரட்டும். உங்களுக்கான ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு கவிதையில், மலர்களே தங்களுக்கு மாலை சூடிக்கொள்ளும் தினம், குயில்களை உங்களுக்காக ஒரு இசை விழா நடத்தும் தினம், குழந்தைகளே குழந்தைகளே, இன்றைய நாட்டின் இளவரசர்களே, நாளை சிம்மாசனங்கள் சொந்தக்காரர் நீங்கள் தான், நாளை சிகரங்கள் வெற்றி கிரீடம் நீங்கள் தான். குழந்தைகளை உங்களை செதுக்குவதும் பொறுத்துதான் நீங்கள் சிலையில் ஆவாய். உங்களை கவனமாய் செதுக்கும் கல்வி என்ற ஒளி எங்களிடம் இருக்கிறது. பொறுமையாக காத்திருங்கள். பொறுமையாய் காத்திருங்கள். உங்களை அழகு சிலைகளாக்கும். நீங்கள் புல்லாங்குழல் போன்றவர்கள். நாங்கள் உங்கள் குணாதிசயங்களை இசையோடு மீட்கப்படும். உங்கள் மனதை ஒப்படைங்கள். வாழ்க்கை துளிர் விடுக்கும். ஏட்டு சுரக்காய் கறிக்கு உதவாது. அதுபோல கற்பனை மனதில் கண்பட்டாய் கொள்ளுங்கள். சிகரத்தை அணிவாய். நீங்கள் சூரியனையும் தொட்டுவிடும் சக்தி படைத்தவர்கள். நீங்கள் சூரியனையும் தொட்டுவிடும் சக்தி படைத்தவர்கள். நீங்கள் சோம்பலில் படிகளில் சுழண்டு விடாதீர்கள். எருமை போல் சுறுசுறுப்பாய் இருங்கள். நீங்கள் வானத்தையும் வளைக்கும் வல்லமை படைத்தவர்கள். நீங்கள் வானத்தையும் வளைக்கும் வல்லமை படைத்தவர்கள். உங்கள் விரல்களில் டிஜிட்டல் கருவிகளில் ஒட்டி வைக்க வேண்டாம். வாழ்க்கை உங்கள் ஸ்மார்ட் போன்கள் இல்லை. அவை உங்கள் வலிமை அளிக்கும் மௌன சாத்தான்கள். ஸ்மார்ட் போன்களை விலக்கி வைங்கள். கீழ்ப்படிகள் இல்லாமல் மேல்படி இல்லை. கீழ்ப்படி இல்லாமல் மேல்படி இல்லை. கீழ்ப்படிதல் இல்லாமல் முன்னேற்றம் இல்லை. கீழ்ப்படிதல் இல்லாமல் முன்னேற்றம் இல்லை. கீழ்ப்படிகள் தரம் உயரும். தலைக்கணத்தில் கரங்களை நெறிப்படாதீர்கள். தலைக்கணத்தில் கரங்களை நெறிப்படாதீர்கள். தாழ்மையில் பணிவாக நடங்கள். சிறுதுளி பெருமழை தொடக்கம். சிறுதுளி பெருமழையின் தொடக்கம். சிறு தவறு பெரும் குற்றத்தின் தொடக்கம். தவறுகளின் முறைகளை கிள்ளியறிங்கள். மன்னிப்பின் மகர்ந்தங்களை சுமந்து செல்லும் பட்டாம்பூச்சியில் ஆகுங்கள். மன்னிப்பின் மகர்ந்தங்களை சுமந்து செல்லும் பட்டாம்பூச்சி போல் ஆகுங்கள். விரைவில் தூங்கி விரைவில் எழுங்கள். உடலை மதித்து பயிற்சி எடுங்கள். நல்ல உணவால் நலத்தை பெறுங்கள். நல்ல உணவால் நலத்தை பெறுங்கள். ஆரோக்கிய வாழ்வை எப்பொழுதும் விலகாமல் இருங்கள். ஆரோக்கியமான வாழ்வை எப்பொழுதும் விலகாமல் இருங்கள். இப்பிரபஞ்சத்தில் பரவசமாம் புன்னையோடு தவறுங்கள். புன்னையோடு தவறுங்கள். உயிருக்குள் மகிழ்ச்சியை நிரம்பியே வைத்திருங்கள். எண்ணம் சிகரமாகும், வாழ்க்கை வளமாகும் என்று கூறி மனமார்ந்த குழந்தைகளுக்கு குழந்தை தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள் கூறி நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
NCC Club शुरू कर Cadet Southern Bike finger lift white and primary wing white all of you
Thank you, sir. Your poetic words have painted the air with breath, with hues of beauty and grace. Each line, melody, each stanza, a heartfelt embrace. Your poem has woven emotions deep into our souls. Through your verses, you have not only expressed the thoughts, but stirred the essence of joy, hope, and reflection in every heart present. Thank you very much for gifting us this lyrical treasure, a timeless melody that will echo in our memories long after today. Children, would you like to watch another electrifying performance? Then please be quiet and fasten your seat belts. Up next we have a dance performance that's guaranteed to make your feet tap and your hearts smile. Please welcome the dazzling, dynamic and downright delightful Manjulavani and her fabulous team. They are ready to turn the stage into a whirlwind of rhythm, grace and pure fun, because when they dance, even the floor feels lucky. So everyone, let us make some noise, clap those hands and show your excitement as we invite Manjulavani madam and her team for a dance performance.
NCC Club शुरू कर
नमामि नमामि ईश्वरनाट्य पूजितम्
round of applause for the spectacular performance. That was truly mesmerizing. Thank you, Manjulavani Madam and your team for your amazing, for setting up the stage on fire with your moves, the coordination, the expression and the energy. Let's not forget those perfect smiles. Everything was simply brilliant. For a moment, I think even our childs were tempted to get up and dance along. Once again, a big round of applause for Manjulavani and her team for the beautiful performance. Now we have a special song by Mrs. Brightlin and her party. Music has the rare power to touch our hearts, uplift spirits, unite us in emotion. To give us such a moment today, we are honored to invite the talented Mrs. Brightlin and her team to present a special song. Their voices and harmony are sure to make this celebration even more memorable. Children, please welcome them to the stage with your warmest applause.
பகலும் போனது மன்னன் இல்லையே கூட இளைய கண்ணி நிமைத்திடாத கண் அங்கும் அங்குமே தேட ஆய பாடியில் கண்ணன் இல்லையோ ஆசை வைப்பது அன்பு தொல்லையோ ஆய பாடியில் கண்ணன் இல்லையோ ஆசை வைப்பது அன்பு தொல்லையோ பாவம் ராதா சுந்தரி கண்ணால் ஒரு சேதி சொல்லடி இந்நாள் நல்ல தேதி என்னையே தந்தேன் உனக்காக ஜென்மமே கொண்டேன் அதற்காக நான் உன்னை நீங்க மாட்டேன் நீங்கினால் தூங்க மாட்டேன் சேர்ந்ததே நம் ஜீவனை சுந்தரி கண்ணால் ஒரு சேதி சொல்லடி இந்நாள் நல்ல தேதி என்னையே தந்தேன் உனக்காக ஜென்மமே கொண்டேன் அதற்காக மல்லிகை பூவாய் மாறிவிட ஆசை தென்றலை கண்டு மாலையிட ஆசை மேகங்களை எல்லாம் தொட்டுவிட ஆசை சோகங்களை எல்லாம் விட்டுவிட ஆசை கார்குழலில் உலகை கட்டிவிட ஆசை சின்ன சின்ன ஆசை சிறகடிக்கும் ஆசை முத்து முத்து ஆசை முடிந்து விட்ட ஆசை பின்னிலவு தொட்டு முத்தமிட ஆசை என்ன இந்த பூமி சுற்றி வர ஆசை சின்ன சின்ன ஆசை சிறகடிக்கும் ஆசை முத்து முத்து ஆசை முடிந்து விட்ட ஆசை ஹில்கோரே 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 மங்களாரே மங்களாரே தூரே தூரே தையா ஹில்கோரே 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 ஜங்களாரே ஜங்களாரே தூரே ராதே தையா ஊபோகம் ஓசை அது கேட்கத்தான் ஆசை புல்வெளியும் ஓசை அது கேட்கத்தான் ஆசை பட்சிகளின் குக்கு பூச்சிகளின் ரிங் 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 சங்கீதம் சொல்லித் தருமே தங்கப் பெண்ணே காலோடு சலகை பூட்டி கரையெல்லாம் வீணை மீட்டி நதி பாடும் பாடல் பேலாய் பட்டு பெண்ணே பூமி ஒரு வீணை அது காற்றின் கைகள் மீட்டுது கேட்கும் மொழியெல்லாம் அது சரி கம பாதனி சரி லா 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 எழுத நினைக்கையில் வார்த்தை முட்டுது ஓஹோ கண்மணி அன்போடு காதலன் நான் எழுதும் கடிதமே லாலலா லாலலா Thank you.
NCC Club, शुरू कर.
We must be thankful to Mrs. Brightlin and her team. That was a truly mesmerizing performance. Your harmonious voices and heartfelt expression transformed this moment into something deeply memorable. Thank you for sharing your talent and filling our celebration with such beautiful emotion and melody. Now we have a folk dance mix-up by Miss Bhargavi, Pushpa and Umasri team. Children's Day celebrates joy, innocence and the colors of life. And nothing represents these better than the vibrant spirit of folk dance. To make this celebration even more lively and memorable, we now invite the energetic, talented Mrs. Bhargavi, Ms. Pushpa and Umashri to present a folk dance mix-up filled with rhythm, culture and celebration. Let's welcome them with your brightest smiles and a big round of applause. What an enthralling performance on this beautiful Children's Day. You've gifted us a celebration of culture, energy and happiness. Your synchronized steps, radiant expressions and joyful spirit lift up the stage and our hearts. Thank you for making today even more colorful and memorable. Once again, a huge round of applause for this wonderful trio. Children, would you like to watch a skit? Generally, you like skits, right? Dear children, then fasten your seat belts as we prepare to travel through two very daring academic time zones of 1990s and 2025. A time when blackboards were noble, notebooks were sacred, and handwriting decided your future, versus an era where Wi-Fi is worshipped, Google is guru, and copy-paste deserves its own certificate. Presenting a delightful witty skit by our remarkable secondary section teachers, Mrs. Chitra and her talented team, revealing the unforgettable evolution from chalk and talk to click and talk. Get ready to laugh, relate, and relive the transformation of classrooms. Please welcome them with your most enthusiastic applause.
Time has changed from dusty blackboards to glowing smart boards. From slates to screens, let's travel back in time to the 1990s classroom where discipline ruled, and then to the 2020s where Wi-Fi rules. Let us see the English class of 1990s. Good morning, children. Sit down. So today, let's discuss about tenses. Okay? Today we'll discuss about tenses. Can you define what is a tense?
Tense denotes the time of action.
Very good, very good. Master Panda, please get up. What are you doing? Did you sleep yesterday?
I was sleeping yesterday.
Please go back and stand. Very good. Now you have defined this, right? Please write for 10 times.
Why should I write, madam? I have given correct answer.
Yeah, you have given right answer, but your handwriting improves.
Okay.
Sit down. The student accepts everything in 1990s. Let us see English class of 2020. Good morning, children. Hi, how are you?
Ma'am, Tinaya?
Yes, I have, Rajit, but you have to speak in English.
Yes, sir.
Okay, today I am going to tell you about an important thing that we are conducting essay writing competition on
Yes.
November 14.
Yes,
Rajit,
ma'am.
you're...
Can I reuse the chat GPT for writing essay
First
writing?
of all, you please shut up.
Ma'am, hello. Shut up.
Please get up and ask Ranjit.
Don't talk.
Can you please... Hello. Enough. Please get up. Can you tell me what's your question? You should stand and ask while asking.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Can I use the chat GPT for writing essay?
Yes, you can use Ranjit, but who will
Sure.
write in the exam? ChatGPT or you?
Sir, always taking my streets to eat.
Okay, fine. Let us wind up this session. Okay, thank you. Let us meet tomorrow. In 1990, students memorized poems. In 2020, students record poems on video. In 1990s, essays were handwritten. Now, in 2020s, they are typed and checked by Grammarly. Time have changed from ink pens to iPads, from chatbots to chatboxes. But English remains the language that connects hearts, cultures, and creativity. Whether it is Shakespeare to social media, the love for English continues to evolve beautifully. Welcome to the magical world of mathematics, the subject that makes from heart race faster than calculator buttons. always? What today? What today? Children's Day. So daily routine is what we have to do regularly in the maths period? Start writing 2 to 20 tables twice. Children start. Where is the margin? Have to draw. Where's your book? What's your book number? Sunita, please write.
Madam, can I use calculator, madam?
Every day you are using the calculator. I don't know why. Can't you do multiplication without the calculator? You stupid. Stop. Let us see what happened if the students complaints on teachers in 1990. ఎందుకు ఏడుస్తున్నావు? ఏడుకుంటూ చెప్పుకున్నా. ఎందుకు ఏడుస్తున్నావు?
అమ్మా, నా మ్యాథ్స్ టీచర్ నా క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ ఇంచేసింది మా. ఒకసారి చెప్పున్నానా వినిపించిన సరిగా నాకు. మా మ్యాథ్స్ టీచర్ నా క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ ఇంచేసింది మా.
స్కూల్కి క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ ఎవరు ఎత్తుకోమన్నారు నిన్ను?
తీసుకెళ్ళాను మా.
డౌట్ ఉంటే ఎవరిని అడగాలి నాన్న? దగ్గర రాగిరా అమ్మాయి కదా రానా? క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ తీసుకెళ్తావా? Let us see the math class of 2020. And that 2020 kids. Okay?
రామోహన్ నిన్న
Monica.
మ్యాథ్స్ మేడం మీద నేను చిన్న కంప్లైంట్ ఇచ్చాను. మేడం తిట్టారు. ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి చెప్తే మా మదర్ కూడా కొట్టారు. నువ్వు కూడా టీచర్స్ మీద కంప్లైంట్ ఇద్దు రామ్మోహన్.
Hi dear cadets. Hi Monica. Just stop the nonsense please. Instagram ma'am. Today.
Ma'am, actually today we have celebration.
Nice actually. Thank you. Let's start with today's new chapter. Rachel, please open your tab. Ma'am, you didn't give for me. Run. High five.
Ma'am, AI calculators is faster than normal calculators. Thank you, ma'am. I forgot.
Always using AI can spoil your brain, right? Don't use just it. Okay? In 1990, students feared maths tests. In 2020, they are feared for internet disconnection. In 1990s, calculator was a luxury. In 2020, it's on every phone. From chart to chart screens, maths has evolved, but the spirit of learning remains timeless. Whether it is Pythagoras or Python, maths continues to connect generations. Let us see the classes of day 2. Let's invite our social teacher for 1990s class. feeling sleepy? First we will start the class with a warm-up. Stand up, all of you. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Why are you sitting there? Stand up.
Stomach pain, ma'am.
All pain will go out if you do this exercise. Do it. Hands up. Hands down. Okay, good. Sit down. Shall I ask you questions from yesterday what I taught? Master Panda, please stand up. Who is Doctor?
There was those who are Humayun. He was the third emperor of Mughal dynasty.
Very good. Sit down. Let us see the social class of 2020. Hi, hello children. How are you?
Can I have a selfie with you?
Wait, my dear. We will take at last. Okay. Let me ask something. Did you remember what I taught you yesterday?
Ma'am, I'm so busy with online, ma'am. I didn't.
Always you will be busy only, Ratika. You will be busy only, always.
Yes,
Always he is busy.
ma'am. I'm having lot of posts I have to do on Facebook and Insta.
Always busy in Facebook and all. When will you get time to learn?
Ma'am, I do have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Akshaya, please stand up and ask your doubts.
Ma'am,
This Chitra won't sit silently. Naughty girl.
she is like that, ma'am.
First you ask your doubt, yes.
Can I ask a doubt, ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, do Mughals belong to Islam or Christian, ma'am?
Very good. Now it's not time to talk about religion. Sit down and revise.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Ranjit always keeps looking at the back.
What's your problem? Monica, what's your problem?
Wait. First, let me ask some questions. Actually, I got some doubt, right? First, you stand up and give me answer. Stand up.
Yes, ma'am.
Already I taught you about the Indian map, right?
Yes,
Yes. Very good. You remember that?
Yes, ma'am, I remember
Oh,
that.
excellent. See, can you tell me what is at the northern end? Which place is in the northern end?
Northern end of
Yeah.
India.
Yeah.
You mean northern end, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I know, ma'am. I do remember that.
It's still the answer.
Ma'am, the northern end of India, in the northern end of India, we have mountains, ma'am. Right answer, no, ma'am? Yes, right? Thank you.
Oh, according to you people, it's right.
Google also showed the same answer, ma'am. It is correct. According to GPT, yes, ma'am.
This bench is always turning back and talking to girls. Stand up. You tell me, which place is in the southern end?
First, can I ask one question, ma'am?
Yes.
Last 4 days, I'm trying to get her Insta ID. She didn't give me. Just want to ask her.
Master Ranjit,
Yes, ma'am.
I will call her father and I will tell.
No problem, ma'am.
Father will come and give you.
No problem.
Okay. Let me tell the answer for my
ma'am.
question.
Eat the things. Not sweet. Don't eat. They always eating only. Don't eat continuously breakfast.
Stop. Monica, stop.
Last question. Ma'am, you said we can see everything in the map.
Okay.
I'm not finding my address, ma'am. Can you check over the Google Maps and
Once you go home and check it, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. In 1990, maps were drawn by hand. In 2020, they are clicked and shared. But one thing remains the same. The teacher still says, be quiet and listen. Times have changed, but learning about the world never goes out of sight. ఇప్పుడు మనం 1990లో శుభోదయం శుభోదయం పిల్లలు. ఈరోజు వీళ్ళతో తెలుగు రాపించేస్తా, తినిపించేస్తా, తాపించేస్తా. కూర్చోండి పిల్లలు, కూర్చోండి. హాజరైద్దామా? పలుకుతారా అందరూ? హాజరు పలకండి. శివలింగం సునీత, శకలక శంకర్, మహీధర్, మహీధర్
వచ్చేస్తానండి. చెప్పండి.
ఏంటి మహీధర్, పొలాల గట్లనా చేల గట్లలో గట్టిగా అరిచినట్లు అరుస్తున్నావు? ఇది పాఠశాల.
అది కాదండి, ఇంటి దగ్గర తొందరగా వచ్చానండి. మరేమో మన పాఠశాల ముందుందండి.
ఏముంది?
నెమ్మదిగా వెళ్ళండి రాస్తున్నారండి. నెమ్మదిగా వస్తున్నారండి.
అది మీకోసం కాదు, వాహనాల కోసం. ఏడు చేయాలి, వచ్చి కూర్చో.
మీరేది కరెక్ట్ అది కరెక్ట్ అండి.
సరే పిల్లలు, నిన్న ఒక పద్యం చెప్పుకున్నాము. ఎవరన్నా చెప్తారమ్మా? శంకర్ బాబు లేనా? చిట్టి చెప్పు చెప్పు.
నిన్న చెప్పుకున్న మధ్యమా ఇవాళ చెప్పుకున్నది మేడం?
ఈ రోజు ఇంకా క్లాసే స్టార్ట్ కాలేదు, అప్పుడే ఆగడ పద్యం చెప్పుకున్నాం. నిన్న చెప్పిన పద్యం చెప్పు.
చెప్పింది కదండి, నిజమేనండి. సరే మేడం, నిన్న గుర్తొచ్చింది మేడం.
చెప్పు చెప్పు.
ఉప్పు కప్పు రంబు పక్క పోలికలు చూడ రుచులు చేదు వేరయా.
ఒక్కేంటి చేదేంటి? నేను చెప్పిన పద్యం ఏంటి? నువ్వు చెప్పిన పద్యం ఏంటి? ఏది వీపు నాకు అనుగుణంగా పెట్టు పెట్టు. అవును బాబు, చిట్టి లేనా అన్న? ఏ ఊరు నాయనా మంది? ఎన్నిసార్లు అడగాల? ఏ ఊరు మీది? ఏ ఊరు మీది? మళ్ళీ అడుగుతున్నా, ఏ ఊరు మీది? అయ్యో మేడం, వాళ్ళ ఊరు పేరే మళ్ళీ అడగండి. అన్నిసార్లు అడిగించినా నాయనా. కూర్చో. ఇంకెవరైనా పద్యం చెప్తారా? మైదర్ బాబు లేనా?
చెప్పండి.
పద్యం
పద్యమండి నాకు రావండి.
ఇంకేమొచ్చు?
ఏమి రావండి. పాట పాడానండి.
పాడు. ఏం పాట?
రావోయి చందమామ వింతగా వినుమా, రావోయి చందమామ.
పంట పగులు నీకు చందమామ కావాలా? పాటలు పద్యం చెప్పమంటే సినిమా పాటలు పాడుతున్నావే. ఇంకేమొచ్చు? పద్యం చెప్పు.
పద్యమండి, ఆ అబ్బాయి చెప్పిన పద్యం చెప్తానండి.
చెప్పు చెప్పు.
రెండు మంది చెప్తానండి.
చెప్పు.
ఓ పరోపరము ఒక్క మూలిక నుండు రోజులు చెప్తానండి. ఉప్పు కప్పు రెండు ఒక్క పోలిక రెండు చూడ రుచునా కాడవేరయా. పురుషనందు పుణ్య పురుషులు వేరయా. విశ్వనాథి రామ సోనియా గాంధీ అమ్మాయి అమ్మ.
పద్యం చెప్పమంటే పాటలు పాడుతున్నారు, మిమిక్రీ చేస్తున్నారు. అసలు మీకు పద్యాలు తెలుసా? కూర్చో.
అలాగే మేడం, మీరేదంటే మేడం.
వేరు పురుగు చేరి వృక్షంబు జరచును, చీడ పురుగు చేరి చెట్టు జరచు, కుత్సితుండు చేరి గుణవంతు జరచురా, విశ్వదాభిరామ వినురవేమ. 2020లో తెలుగు. హాయ్ పిల్లలు. హలో హలో
తెలుగు టీచర్తోనే తమాషాలు ఆడతారా? లేమ్మా, ఎవరు లేమ్మా, ఏంటా యాటిట్యూడ్, ఏంటా మూతి తిప్పడాలు? సరే ఓ పద్యం చెప్పుమ్మా, ఓ పద్యం చెప్పు. పద్యం పద్యం పద్యం. హిందీ వాళ్ళ చలేగా, హిందీ नहीं తెలుగు सिखाया था. हाँ हाँ पुपुरम्मु चुन्नु चुन्नु विश्वास and पटाभिराम. అమ్మా ఉప్పు తల్లి, ఉప్పు తల్లి. అవును, ఎవరి అమ్మాయి కొత్తగా వచ్చిన
క్లాస్ కాదు మేడం, హిందీ క్లాస్.
హిందీ క్లాస్ అయితే ఎందుకు వచ్చావమ్మా తెలుగు క్లాస్లోకి? సార్ వాజ్ ఆబ్సెంట్ అయితే నువ్వు అక్కడే కూర్చోవాలి, తెలుగు క్లాస్ రాకూడదు. ఉన్నా కూడా రాకూడదు, తెలుగు క్లాస్ హిందీ క్లాస్ అయినా కూర్చోవాలా. ఇంకోసారి మీ ఫ్రెండ్ అక్కడే కూర్చోమని చెప్పమ్మా, ఇక్కడికి పిలిపించద్దు.
మ్యామ్ 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 నాకు ఒక పద్యం వచ్చిన.
చెప్పమ్మా.
చేత వెన్మోట్స్ చెంగల్వ పూదన్స్ ఏదో ఉంది మేడం.
గోల్డెన్ మథాడ్స్. ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం చదువులు ఈ మాదిరిగా ఉన్నాయి. సరే పద్యం చెప్పమంటే ఆమె నాశనం చేసేసింది తెలుగును. నువ్వు చెప్పమంటే ఏందో షో షో ఓ. ఇది కరెక్టేనా? కాల్ చేస్తా ఉండు, ఈ మదర్ కాల్ చేసి చెప్తా ఉండు.
మేడం 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 ప్లీజ్ మేడం 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 నో మేడం 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 ప్లీజ్ సారీ మ్యామ్.
అందుకు జుట్టు అందకపోతే కాళ్ళ బేరాలా, నువ్విట్ట ఇన్నోసెంటే ఫేసే పెడితే ఇంకా నమ్మాలా? నువ్వే ఇంతేనా, మరి స్టూడెంట్స్ అంతా ఇంతేనా? టీచర్ని టార్చర్ పెట్టి తెలుగుకు తగలే పట్టిస్తారా?
నెక్స్ట్ టైం చేయండి మేడం.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
పిల్లల కంఠంలో మాట
ఇప్పుడు
मैडम ग्रुप फोटो. ओके थैंक यू.
పేపర్లో మార్క్స్ వచ్చేవి. ఇప్పుడు స్టూడెంట్స్ స్క్రీన్ లైట్తో ఆన్లైన్ టెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. కానీ 2 రోజుల్లో కామన్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే టీచర్ హార్ట్స్. అప్పటి టీచర్ చాక్తో లైఫ్ని లైన్లో పెట్టాడు. ఇప్పుడు టీచర్ యాప్తో ఫ్యూచర్ని డిజైన్ చేస్తున్నారు. కానీ 2 కాలాల్లో ఎయిమ్ ఒకటే, మీ మంచి కోసం. మీరు రీల్స్ మీమ్స్ మార్క్స్ చేస్తున్నారు, కానీ టీచర్ ఒకటే చేస్తున్నారు, అదే మీ సక్సెస్. అప్పటి పనిష్మెంట్లో లెసన్ ఉండేది, ఇప్పుడు మోటివేషన్లో లైఫ్ ఉంది. సో నెవర్ ఫర్గెట్, టీచర్స్ స్కోల్డ్ యూ విత్ కేర్, టీచ్ విత్ హార్ట్, లీవ్ ఫర్ యువర్ బ్రైట్ ఫ్యూచర్. హ్యాపీ చిల్డ్రన్స్ డే.
మీరెందుకు నాకు ఇవన్నీ చేస్తున్నారు?
concert that was nothing short of spectacular. Your performance carried power, grace, and remarkable energy. Today, you reminded us that creativity and passion shine beautifully beyond classrooms and lessons. Thank you for inspiring and entertaining us and making this Children's Day celebration even more extraordinary. Now, I would like to take your attention to listen to the kind words and words of wisdom from our Dean Sir, Air Commodore C.G.H. Khan. Air Commodore C.G.H. Khan is highly distinguished retired officer of the Indian Air Force with an illustrious career spanning over 33 years in the administrative branch. An accomplished academician with an MBA and MPhil, he has served in several prestigious appointments, including Chief Administrative Officer of Major Air Force Bases and Commanding Officer of Key Security and Intelligence Units. His expertise in talent assessment is remarkable, having evaluated more than 2,500 officer candidates at Air Force selection boards. He later headed training at the Defense Institute of Psychological Research, contributing significantly to leadership development and organizational psychology within the armed force. Widely respected for his international exposure and commendations from senior Air Force leadership, Air Commodore Khan currently serves as the academic dean at Veritas Sainik School, where he continues his mission for shaping dedicated future leaders of the nation. We are honored to extend our invitation to him, confident that his presence and guidance will inspire and evaluate and elevate every inspiring cadet in our institution. Sir, please.
Cadet, stand by.
Thank you, Mr. Shivasingiri. Jai to all of you. At the outset, very, very happy Children's Day for you. The first child who received me was your captain, Cadet Nagarjuna, school captain. Okay. Very, I was not able to make out who is the new cadet who has come. I think if outsider comes and he sits in the 12th standard, nobody makes out that he is the vice principal of Veritas Sainik School. Very good show, Mr. Nagarjuna. Coming to the performance of the teachers, I am totally confused whether it was your day or our day. Who enjoyed most? You all enjoyed? I am sure your teachers also enjoyed equally. I could make out. What a hidden talent we have got in our teachers. Huge round of applause for them. Some of the teachers, I had a lot of time difficult to know who is this teacher. I thought he was a 12th standard student. But superb presentation, high-pitched entertainment. As our MC said, all of you have put the stage on fire. Even fire tenders will not be able to put out this fire. I think all of you enjoyed because today I have heard loudest claps ever heard here. Every performance was reverberated with we have to tell people to clap again, but you clap so loudly, it indicates that you enjoyed every moment of it. I do enjoy every moment. I want to tell you, in the 5th, I'm going to complete my 5 years here. This is not one of the best. This is the best performance I have seen here in Veritas campus. We could not have asked anything more. And excellent teachers, I'm really proud of you, the way you presented. I hope this talent is transferred to the children, and at times I feel you enjoy teaching also equally well, and these children are entertained with the teaching also like this. Now coming to the main serious note, of course we are enjoying in a very, very constructive manner. we have got some message to carry. First for you, the second for the teachers. We all should know whenever we celebrate certain things, what is the reason behind it. Is it our Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday we are celebrating or Children's Day we are celebrating? You have to be very clear. See, it may be his birthday, lot of people felt it is Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday we are celebrating. He loved children so much, people thought his birthday can be appropriately celebrated as a Children's Day so that children can be. Because he always said, there's a quote, you are a bird in the garden, which is required to be nurtured and cared so that it will blossom into a beautiful flower. That is the aim with which, otherwise, United Nations had, we continue to maintain internationally 20th November as the Children's Day because it was the declaration of the rights for the children. Now, what is the main aim of the Children's Day is to tell your rights and to care for your welfare. Equally well, you have certain responsibilities also. As a child, in the present generation, yes, what you have seen 1990s and 20s, in this century, that problems are different. All of you kindly listen to me. Try to understand what are the problems the country is facing. If you do not think about this problem, nobody will solve other than or you will suffer. You must remember what type of problems which is coming in front of you, and you will have to keep thinking as a student how I could solve in whatever the position I hold. You may be IAS officer, you may be IPS officer, you may be Air Force officer, whatever may be the officer. Whatever the job you take, we require to address those problems. All of us get aged. It is your day. It is your future. We have to think. All of us, we are trying to groom you so that you become a responsible citizen. Do not waste your time. Do not waste your time because you will get time to enjoy later. But study, give the best gift to your parents by performing well, and be proud for your teacher. Teacher should feel proud of you. Any child who performs well and comes to the notice of the teacher will be the happiest person in the world. If you do any mistake, there is an irritation you are creating in the teacher's mind. There is a dislike will be developed towards you. All the children are same to us, but the one who performs will get greater attention. Let it be, you may be an average student, an above average student, or maybe below average. Whatever in your capacity, try to improve on this. This is a message I want to give to the Children's Day. Enjoy your life at the time when it is specified. In science school, there is a time for everything. Time for studies, time for enjoyment, time for games. It is not that every time I can play the game. Even in this type of environment, your enjoyment is also controlled so that you behave properly. I know your lot of enjoyment is being controlled by us to make it look, it is a very disciplined system here, and I am very, very happy the way you have conducted yourself. Excellent way you have conducted. Now coming to the teachers, it is our responsibility to teach them correct things. Even if a person is low, we require to pull them up with the additional support and see that these people grow into responsible citizens. The most important for a person is honesty, integrity and sense of responsibility. We call it a HIS. H for honesty, I for integrity, S for sense of responsibility. If you develop this, your character will be developed. So always do well. I expect teachers to guide the children, and it's a wonderful day we have begun, And we, all of us, each and every, I am very sure everybody has enjoyed the program. And once again, wish you very happy Children's Day. Thank you very much for all the organizers. Excellent presentation. And once again, kudos to all the teachers who are presented here. Really, the entertainment was excellent. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to Air Commodore C.G.H. Khan for gracing us with his presence and sharing his wealth of knowledge and experience. His distinguished service over 3 decades in the Indian Air Force and his continued commitment for shaping future defense leaders reflect his emotional dedication, discipline and vision. His insights have deeply inspired our students and faculty, motivating us to strive for excellence, integrity and service to the nation. We are deeply honored to have his guidance and leadership at Veritas Sainik School. Now I would like to shift your attention to the certificate distribution. We now proceed to the certificate distribution ceremony. We heartily invite our esteemed guests to grace the stage and present certificates to our students, acknowledging their hard work, dedication and commitment to excellence. Your presence in honoring these young achievers will motivate and inspire them as they continue their journey towards serving the nation.
Jai Hind to all, and I wish you a happy Children's Day to all the cadets. The vibrant MasterChef Veritas event brought out the hidden chefs of our school. Total 120 students from grades 7 and 8 showcased their culinary creativity by preparing delicious, fireless dishes with a perfect blend of taste. Under the guidance of teachers, participants worked enthusiastically in teams, turning the event into a fest of flavors and fun. The judgment panel admired the students' originality, teamwork and healthy approach to cooking. Here are the results of the events. The winners are from 7th Hostel Section. First place goes to F. Lisa of grade 7B.
NCC clap, shuru kar.
Second place goes to Veeratejeshwar Gaud of grade 7C.
Ma, turn this side, ma. Sir, this camera, sir. Okay, sir. Yes.
NCC clap, shuru kar.
8th Hostel. First place goes to Yashovardhan of grade 8A.
Sir? Okay, sir. NCC clap, shuru kar.
Second position, Guru Satvik of grade 8C.
Okay. NCC clap, shuru kar.
Coming to 7th Day Scholars, first position, Hemanya of grade 7D.
NCC clap, shuru kar.
2 cadets got second place, K. Mokshita of 7D and Tanmay Harini from 7E.
NCC clap, shuru kar.
Coming to grade 8 Day Scholars section, first place goes to Tejit Verma of grade 8E.
NCC clap, shuru kar.
Two cadets got second place, Alia Sultana and Satvika from grades 8E.
Okay, sir.
क्लैप शुरू कर।
Okay.
Congratulations to all the winners.
గ్రూప్ ఫోటో తీసుకుంటాను. గ్రూప్ ఫోటో తీసుకుంటాను.
Okay. Thank you.
తిరుపతి బాలోత్సవం సందర్భంగా బాలలు వారి ప్రతిభను కనపరిచి విజయం సాధించిన వారికి ఇప్పుడు బహుమతులు ప్రదానం జరుగుతుంది. దాదాపు 164 పాఠశాలలు ఈ బాలోత్సవంలో పాల్గొన్నాయి. మన పాఠశాల నుంచి కూడా కొంతమంది విద్యార్థులు తీసుకొని వెళ్ళడం జరిగింది. వారికి ఒక 5 బహుమతులు మనకు రావడం జరిగింది. కానీ 5 బహుమతులు కూడా చాలా గొప్ప విశేషంగా నేను మీకు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే 164 స్కూళ్ళల్లో మన పిల్లలకి 5 బహుమతులు రావడం అనేది చాలా గొప్ప విషయం. ముందుగా
एनसीसी क्लब शुरू कर।
ముందుగా తనుశ్రీ ఫ్యాన్సీ డ్రెస్ సెకండ్ ప్రైజ్. ఈ అమ్మాయి న్యూస్ పేపర్తో వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్ చాలా చక్కగా డ్రెస్ డిజైన్ చేసి అక్కడికి పంపించారు కాబట్టి సెకండ్ ప్రైజ్ వచ్చింది ఈ అమ్మాయికి.
एनसीसी क्लब शुरू कर।
ఇక్కడ చూడమ్మా.
పి లలితశ్రీ ఉక్తలేఖనం తెలుగు డిక్టేషన్ లో థర్డ్ ప్రైజ్ వచ్చింది ఈ అమ్మాయికి.
एनसीसी क्लब शुरू कर।
దేశభక్తి గీతాలాపన బృందం గ్రూప్ సాంగ్ బోధనా టీంకి వచ్చింది ఫస్ట్ ప్రైజ్.
एनसीसी क्लब शुरू कर।
దయచేసి నిశ్శబ్దంగా ఉండాలి.
एनसीसी क्लब शुरू कर।
అలాగే దేశభక్తి గీతాలాపనలో సోలో సాంగ్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రైజ్ మిథున.
మా ఇక్కడ చూడండి. ఓకే.
నెక్స్ట్ భవిష్యారెడ్డి కన్సిలేషన్ ప్రైజ్ వచ్చిందండి ఉక్తలేఖనం తెలుగు డిక్టేషన్ లో.
एनसीसी क्लब शुरू कर।
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Thank you, sir, for giving away the certificates. We express our sincere gratitude to our esteemed guests for presenting the certificates and inspiring our students. Your gracious presence and encouragement have truly elevated their confidence and aspiration. Now, it's time to propose vote of thanks. As we come to the end of this joyful and vibrant Children's Day celebration, it's time to express our gratitude to all those who have made this day truly special. To do the honors, I would now like to invite a person whose words always carry warmth, wisdom, and a touch of poetic grace, our very own Mr. Ranjit PGT English, to propose vote of thanks. So we request you to please come forward and share your words of appreciation.
Children are like birds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured. Jai Hind everyone. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed Dean Sir for gracious presence and for inspiring us with his encouraging words. Your constant guidance and support continue to strengthen our journey towards excellence. Thank you, sir. A sincere note of appreciation to our Vice Principal and one-day school captain and all the teachers and non-teaching staff members who not only guide us but also took part enthusiastically in today's performances. Your participation truly made this celebration vibrant and memorable. Thank you, sir. A special thanks to our teachers who their talents through songs, dances, skits and poems, proving that learning and joy go hand in hand. You made this Children's Day celebration come alive with energy, creativity and teamwork. Thank you, teachers. We also thank our NCC and PET teams for maintaining discipline, our stage decoration and technical team for their flawless arrangements, and our Master of Ceremony for conducting the program with elegance and confidence. Thank you, team. A heartfelt thanks to every member of Veritas family. Your cooperation, enthusiasm, and dedication have made today's event a grand success. Let us continue to cherish the spirit of childhood, the joy of learning and unity that bind us all together as one family. Thank you all once again for making this day so special. அனைவருக்கும் இனிய குழந்தைகள் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். ஜெய் ஹிந்த்.
NCC Club, शुरू कर. Cadets, southern bite. Thank you, sir, Mr. Ranjit, for your heartfelt words and graceful expression of gratitude. Your word of thanks added a perfect conclusion to our celebration. Let's give him a big round of applause for his wonderful words. Now, we have to sing our national anthem. On this auspicious occasion of Children's Day, as we celebrate the dreams, potential and the limitless possibilities of our future generation, let us now pay our highest respect to the nation that nurtures and empowers us. As a mark of pride, unity and devotion to our motherland, I humbly request everyone to rise for the national anthem. Let us stand together in honor for our national nation.
स्कूल खड़े हो जाओ. स्कूल सावधान. श्रीमान चिल्ड्रंस डे प्रोग्राम समाप्त करने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ। जय हिंद सर। स्कूल